to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today I will be unboxing the AIA Beauty Bundle. And this month we have a box that has a collaboration with Nudestix products. So I can't wait to see what's inside. This is the April 2022 box. If you are not familiar with this box used to be bi-monthly and then they turned it into monthly. So for $38 a month, you receive a box every month. And what they're doing is every month there's a different brand that they're collaborating with. So you'll get a lot of products from that particular brand in your box, which I think is awesome. So if you're not familiar with some of the brands, or you are and they're your favorite, you do get a very good amount of makeup to try out, or skincare, because it depends on who they're collaborating with. So if you're not familiar with them, it's worth checking out. So if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're interested in watching things like unboxings, subscription boxes, hauls, product reviews, this is the channel for you. Please feel free to click that like and subscribe button and you'll stay up to date with me on all my latest unboxings. But for now, guys, let's get into this box. So guys, this box is uber light. This is probably the lightest box I ever received from AIA, just to let you know. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. And guys, today I did my makeup a bit not finished all the way because I knew some of the products that were going to be in this box. I figured I would just come on here. I'm going to try them out for you guys, and you guys can see how they look on me once I use some of the products in here. So guys, if you are not familiar with this box, you always receive a lovely little card and it'll tell you which brand they're curating with for the month. On the back, you have prices of the products and what products you have received. So it looks like we have about 5 products in here. Yeah, about 5 products are in this box for the collaboration with Nudestix. So guys, the first product that I have here is going to be the Nudestix Centrist Sea Mask and Daily Moisturizer. This says it looks like yuzu and, and turmeric in it. I may be pronouncing it wrong. Don't hold me to anything now. But I thought this is kind of interesting. It says it's a vitamin C mask and a daily moisturizer, which is something you don't see. Normally it's either one or the other. So I thought that was a little interesting. So this product here, guys, retails for $38, and it says it's a hydrating, moisturizing, sleeping mask and makeup primer all in one. So this thing is doing triple duty over here. This is a vegan power actives deeply moisturized skin to help improve elasticity, tone, and renew skin texture for soft, smooth, hydrated, and glowing skin. And again, guys, this is $38, and I have a 2.3 fluid ounce size of this. And I think that's great when you get a product that can do multitask, because time is precious, and if we can save a few minutes, we should. Now, please note, I did not try this out because I already have makeup on, so I'm just going to go with the makeup products that are in our box here. But I wanted to just show this to you guys, and if you guys have tried this out before, let me know how this worked out for you. This will be my first time using this product. So guys, I'm going on to our next product. This is Nude Bronze and Sun Kiss. It is a multitasking balm to treat warm bronzing on your face, eyes, and lips for an easy golden look. So guys, this product is $34, and again, the color is Sun Kiss. I know on lighter tones, this product can be used a lot. Now, I'm a darker tone, so I highly doubt that this product is going to be a good bronzer for me, so I'm not even going to attempt. But I am going to use it as a blush, and we're going to see what it looks like on my lips as well to see how this product really works. So guys, right off the bat, I think I made the right choice. So as a blush and for lips, I think this will work great for my complexion. So for a darker, deeper tone, I think I made the right choice. But as a bronzer for me, no. So let's see how this blends out. Not bad, not bad, not bad. And I'm just going to give myself a little right here because I look a little matted. And I'm going to do it a little bit darker. And I'm going to take this. I think it'll work for a blush and a little bit of a lip color. I think that'll definitely work for me. So that's our first product we tried out. Woo! So let's move on to our next product that we have here. So the next product I have, this is an illuminating eye color, and this is the product here, and it says this is the magnetic eye. The color is doo-wop. It's a 4-in-1 pencil, can be used for eyeshadow, eyelid primer, eye pencil, and as a cream highlighter. So I don't have any highlighter on, so let's give this a whirl as a highlighter. So I'm gonna give it a little highlight right here. Let's start there. Got a little bit of highlight, and I'm gonna do a little bit over here as well, going up. Give me a little bit of dimension. Let's see. And let's kind of go here, here, and here. Right there. And I'll kind of come in right there. Alright, so we're going to try this out as a highlighter. And I'm going to use my little fingers to blend it all in. Not bad so far. Alright, we having a little problem here. We're getting there. We're getting there, boo-boos. I honestly think this will probably go better with my sponge, and I'm half tempted to get it. Normally I thought because it was creamy it would probably move, but it's literally like locked into place. So I'm gonna be here a minute. Alright, this is taking too long with my fingers, I'm telling you right now. Nose not bad. Here, just to kind of get this to go. Okay, this is going to be the longest one here. Sheesh Louise, this one is... This is not that creamy, guys, because it normally with your fingers, when you get creamy products, you can blend them in really quick. And it's not really moving, so if you're going to use it as an eyeshadow, you're probably good because it's going to be locked into place. And I just wanted to put a little on my brow bone here to give me a little highlight. Now for that, seems to be moving just fine. So guys, what do you think as using it as a highlighter? You think this worked? I'd say it's okay. It's okay as a highlighter. I think from the way it looks on my brow bone, using it as an eyeshadow would be great, and I think it would be kind of easier to use there. Using it as a highlighter, it didn't seem to move that much. It took a lot of work for me to blend it in with my fingers, so that's just my opinion, but it did work. Eventually we got there. I would say have your sponge or a brush handy because that took too long to blend in with my fingers, and typically it doesn't. So I don't know. we're gonna move on to our next product. And by the way, guys, again, this was $26, and this is in the color Doo Wop, and this is our magnetic eye color, so that's great. So we have also a mascara from Nudestix. So this is the Lash Enhancing Mascara. This has a retail value for $28. Now it says this delivers natural, full, and feathery lashes. I do not have any mascara on, so we are moving right into this one. This is how our applicator looks. It's not goopy or anything. That's a plus. So let's get started. So far, guys, it's not bad. I can't say it's one of my favorites. I feel like I would need a couple of coats of this. What I'm seeing so far, I think it's nice for a nice realistic look. But if you're looking for something to give you dramatic, this probably ain't it. Okay, guys, so that is the mascara. And again, this is the Lash Lengthening Mascara, and this has a $28 value. I don't think it's bad, like I said, but I think another coat or two probably to help me to get my desired look. And I don't know about how the rest of you guys, if you got like not much of lash, I don't know, you may want something a little more bammy, but something that kind of hits you. But I think it's okay. I can tell I have mascara on, but it's not like it's very dramatic. So that's a personal preference for me. I just like the bam lashes, where I can just grab a product and just use one. I hate when I have to go in with a second coat or third coat. So that's just my personal preference. I think this is just okay. So guys, we are at the end. We have a magnetic matte lip, and boho is the color. I have no idea what this is going to look like on me. This retails for $26, and it says this magnetic matte lip color pencil is the answer to long wearing lipstick prayers. It says these kiss proof and transfer proof lippies feature lightweight pigments that apply like a pencil but look like a lipstick and last like a temporary tattoo. And that's not all they do. Okay, so here we go. Ooh, this is... Alright, I'm going to put a lip pencil on because that's way too pinky for me. Hold on. Okay, so this lip color, not my favorite. You guys let me know what you think about the lip color. This is one of them colors I would mix with another color or another pencil. I probably should have went for an even darker lip pencil with this one. You guys let me know what you think about the color on me. I don't particularly care for it, but I just don't particularly care for it. This would be something I would mix with something else. So guys, in review, we have 5 products that came in this AIA bundle. And I love the fact that we did get mostly makeup in this box. I thought that was a plus. I have never used the makeup products by the Nudestix line, so this was my first time trying everything out to see how I liked it. And I'll keep playing with them too, just so I can familiarize myself with the brand itself. But most of the products I think are pretty easy to use. First impressions, I would say they're okay. Nothing really blew me away, but it was good to try it out to see if I like it. But I'll keep playing with them and see what else I like in here. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with me on all my latest unboxings. And if you're already subscribed, well, thanks. I'll see you guys next time. Stay blessed. Bye.